I'm Caroline Miller and I direct SAMRI's Population Health Research Group. One of the areas that we think might be really critical in terms of starting to shift some of the burdens of disease, burdens of chronic disease like diabetes, heart disease and cancer, and also obesity, is sugary drinks or sugar sweetened beverages. So we know that sugar sweetened beverages are only one food within the diet, but they're one of the foods that people don't need at all, and the way the body processes them is different to other foods. So we know that the body doesn't really regulate, doesn't really notice the calories that it's taking on board, which makes it quite different from other foods. So the World Health Organization and lots of public health agencies are starting to focus on sugary drinks as a place that public health people can start to intervene to try to shift some of the drivers of chronic disease. Here at SAMRI we're doing some research. We're behavioural scientists, so we're doing some work to try to understand how people's behaviours around overconsumption of sugary drinks can be influenced and changed. So we know Australia is a big consumer of sugary drinks, a big over-consumer of sugary drinks. So we're not talking about not drinking these drinks at all, we're just talking about having them in far greater moderation than we do now. So we're starting to explore different tools that we know have worked very effectively in other areas of public health, like tobacco control, for example, and bringing those skills and expertise to the area of reducing sugary drinks. So we're exploring whether putting labels on containers would make people stop and think about the amount of sugar that they're having and whether that's a good choice for them every day or multiple times a day, because we know that people don't really understand the amount of sugar that's in drinks the way health professionals do. So that's part of our work in population health and as behavioural scientists, trying to help your average person on the street understand the sort of information that a doctor understands, and also making it relevant and meaningful for them in a way that motivates them to change a behaviour, which is ultimately about improving their health.